About to get this thing rocking right now. It's a pretty cool place, really beautiful view, very majestic. What's up everybody? Jesse back again on the channel. Got the 34 GTR right behind me, and today is my second to last day in Japan before I head back to the States. I'm gonna make it a fun-filled day today. I'm gonna do a whole bunch of stuff, and I'm gonna divide it up into a few videos. One, gonna Toge. Two, head to 8-Pit Auto Box and get my car cleaned after that. Do a whole thing on that because it's such a cool place. Because it's not just a car wash, it's like this cool shop. You wanna call it the grocery store of auto parts when it comes to performance cars. A lot of really neat stuff in there. I love it. It's awesome. Went there first time I came to Japan. Cool experience. And then after that, go to Daikoku tonight. Should be on and popping. Last night was actually pretty cool. A lot of cars, good stuff. Tonight might be even more because usually Friday's a pretty good day, but it's gonna be raining on Friday, so a lot of people might come out Thursday night. So we'll see. First up is Toge. It's gonna be fun. We're gonna be going to Lake Okutama. I have not been there before. Never been to a Toge. Don't know a lot about it. Should be cool, and maybe it's one of the ones on the whole Japan project thing where I can get a Toge sticker for it. If so, that would be super cool. I'm gonna go run that, and yeah, should be a good time. So looking forward to hopping back into my beloved 34 GTR. Just letting it warm up right now, and then get myself on the road. Got to the restaurant, grabbing some food. We got the sashimi, sushi, everything rolling in here. All different types. You know how it is. Always tastes absolutely amazing. Actually already ate some before I started recording. Getting fueled up before heading to the Toge, heading over to Lake Okutama. I'm doing a little bit different fill up than I normally do. This one's a full service, so they do it for you right here, but I'm parked in a different situation. Not really, it's a stanchion there that has the pumps where they do it. It actually comes from the top right there. So first time I've done one of these, you just come up, you tell them full tank, premium, and they make it happen. Obviously you gotta pay for it. I wish fuel was free, but it's not. Just stopped at the local Family Mart so we could grab some snacks and stuff. 34 is ready to go. Got my 360 cam all mounted up. About to get this thing rocking right now. to the lake at the end of this particular part of the Toge run. Beautiful place. There's a dam right over here. It's pretty cool. Keeps Tokyo from flooding with all this water. But yeah, it's a pretty cool place. Really beautiful view. Very majestic. Really, really nice. Now I gotta figure out what's the rest of the Toge roads to run in this beautiful mountainous area. The vehicle's looking great, handled great. Got caught up in a little bit of traffic, but it's all good.